Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your liked reels on Facebook. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, then you can click on the TV symbol on the top left. Once you're on here you can click on the profile icon on the top right. Then once you're on here you should see liked videos in the middle. So you just want to click on that. And this will bring up all your liked videos. So obviously you can just click on whichever one you want. If you want to see it again, you can obviously share it, and you can click on these three dots on the bottom right. And this will give you different options for that video as well. You can obviously save the video or hide the video if you want. Different things like that. That's how you can find your liked reels on Facebook. Thanks for watching.